today's vlog with a little haul. I have a bunch of packages and they're all like exciting, fun things that I've ordered. So I figured I would do a little haul for you guys. It's currently 3:30. I have to get dressed for dinner in a bit, but I figured I would open all my packages first. Let's start with this package. I think this might be my tan. So I just ordered a bottle of like the tan that I usually use, which is the Loving Tan Platinum. And then I also ordered this, this is new, but it's a 2-hour express tanning lotion in dark. And I wanted to try this. It looked really good. And it's lotion, so I feel like it will just make your skin look really hydrated and it won't get patchy. I don't know, we're gonna give her a try, but I do swear by Loving Tan. The next package is from Ilia, so I'll show you guys. Base milk. And I don't know, I see a lot of girls using this. I think it's really good for your skin. Aesthetic packaging, which we love. But I think it's really good for your skin, just for your skin barrier. And so I wanted to give one of these a try. I'm all about natural nails, natural hair, natural, just healthy, natural. I think natural nails, natural hair, like all that. If you work on having healthy hair and healthy nails, in my opinion, it looks so much better than extensions, acrylics, etc. So I'm really working on my nail health right now and they're really strong, thank God. I'm going in for a manicure, but I don't do gel or anything. I literally just do regular polished manicures. This company on TikTok, got these from TikTok shop, and they have this like nail growth oil, Valentine's packaging. But I wanted to order these because they're really good for nail growth. It's a nail growth oil and I am really into all things nail health right now. Okay, the next thing I ordered, I'm saving the best for last, like the one I'm most excited for last, but I ordered from Beauty Pie. This is what we have. Ordered this Skin Glow filter. And this brand is really good. Everything they make I've been really happy with and I wanted to try this. I love anything that's like a glowy filter. So I got this. And then I restocked my under eye corrector. You guys know I love this stuff and I got 2 of the medium and 1 of the like lighter shade. Can't live without that and I use it every single day, so I figured I would stock up. Last but not least, you guys, I ordered from Victoria Beckham Beauty, which is probably one of my favorite makeup brands in the whole world that I've ever tried. And I have tried like basically every single makeup brand under the sun. Like I have tried so many. Victoria always has the best, bougiest packaging, you guys, ever. She always sends her stuff in this like pouch, which I reuse this and I put like makeup brushes and stuff in it. I ordered 2 things. First of all, you guys know I love her contour stylus. And I wanted it in a warmer tone for my face because I like the color I used for really contouring, but I wanted like a bronzier shade for just when I want to be like a little bronzy. Although I will say I love the shade I have now. This is in the shade Marble. I don't know if you guys can see. It's warmer. I'm excited. It's also like a deep warm shade, so love. Couldn't resist when I saw this. Victoria Beckham collaborated with Augustinus Bader and I had to try this. So this is her moisturizing, cell rejuvenating priming moisturizer and I had to give it a try and I got the shade Golden because it has like a bronzy kind of tint to it. You guys, this packaging is wild. Victoria Beckham, Augustinus Bader collab. Look at how beautiful. Like, are you kidding me right now? I wish that this all came in earlier so I could have done my makeup with it today. That's pretty much it for the haul. Hope you guys enjoyed the little haul. I'm really excited for all of this and I can't wait to use it. I know I'm gonna love all of this. I do my research before ordering products and I always order like really high quality good things, especially because I'm showing it to you. I'm in so much trouble because I'm late, but I really wanted to show you my Valentine's gift. This was a very generous gift given to me by someone very special. This is like one of my dream pieces of jewelry. So this is a Cartier necklace, and if you guys have seen this before, it's the love necklace. I am so excited. This was like the kindest, sweetest Valentine's gift, and I am so excited. I just went to Bristol Farms, my favorite grocery store. I got a bunch of stuff and I wanted to do a little bit of a haul. I actually needed to like do a full restock. I ordered a couple things from Whole Foods this morning and then I went to Bristol Farms for the rest. They have the best selection of things in my opinion. So to start off, I got a sliced local bread and it's a country sourdough and I'm really excited. I love, love, love sourdough and I want to do like hummus or like a whipped cream cheese and just make yummy breakfasts with this. I saw these egg bites and they're prosciutto and Gruyere and I do love an egg bite, so I decided I would give these a go. Like to have things like this in my fridge. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with this vanilla milk and I always use this in my lattes. So I picked up actually 2 of those. I always get a fresh pressed orange juice, especially in these like winter months, everyone's getting sick. So I did an orange juice and I also got another beet juice. I got this last week too, if you guys saw it, or a few days ago, whenever that was in my vlog. And I got another beet juice and I love this cute jar that they put it in. I think that that's really cute. Some Tuscany greens, they're triple washed. I love these for a salad. They're just ready. They make my life easier and they taste incredibly fresh and amazing. We got some raspberries, whipped cream cheese as well. I got some fresh salmon. I absolutely love salmon. I got a cold brew. Love my cold brew. I always do a vanilla latte at home. I got a coconut water with pineapple. I saw this, could not resist. It looked so amazing. I got a banana bread loaf, which I'm so excited about. I love banana bread. And then I got a little Rice Krispie treat. I could not resist. This looked so good. We're going to make a latte and some breakfast really quick. Yoga outfit of the day. I love this little aloe set. I think it's so freaking cute. I love light blue. I think it's like the best color.